there was one type of maternity photographer I would tell my clients not to book with, it would be the DIY maternity photographer. And in this video, I'm going to let you know why you probably shouldn't hire them if you're not looking to stress, and who may be a better hire for you. What's going on to all of my married expecting parents? I am Jaylin Dorsey-Mitchell, an all-inclusive maternity photographer out of Detroit, Michigan. And in this video today, I want to give you what I feel like is the maternity photographer you shouldn't hire. So there are some you should hire, and then there are some you shouldn't hire. So let's start with the ones that you should hire. So you should always hire the maternity photographer who takes the most weight off of your plate. That may be an all-inclusive maternity photographer. That could even be a done-with-you maternity photographer. Typically, the all-inclusive maternity photographers take the most stuff, like give you your time back and take the most weight off your plate. So they typically have the hair, the makeup. They may pick you up as well. They may pick you up. They may create an idea for you, custom idea for you, and all these different things. That's kind of what I feel like the maternity photographer you should choose if you don't want to stress. You also have the done with you maternity photographer. So that maternity photographer probably won't have like hair and makeup included. They probably won't create you a idea and build you a custom creative background. But that maternity photographer may include wardrobe, and they also will pose you and etc. That maternity photographer is honestly better than the maternity photographer that I'm getting ready to tell you not to book. Because the thing is, with the third maternity photographer, the one that you shouldn't book, you're going to be stressed out. And if you don't want to be stressed out, it's very important that you stay away from that maternity photographer and work with the other two maternity photographers that I said. So the third maternity photographer, the one I feel like you should not book, honestly, when it comes to doing a maternity photo shoot. And if you do, it's not like it's the end of the world because they have their place, but you may run into some more headaches if you are a mom who's not looking to stress. And that third photographer is the DIY maternity photographer. So the DIY maternity photographer is a maternity photographer you book with, and they make you do all the work. So you get your own hair and makeup, you get your own wardrobe, you get your own outfits, you create your own idea. That's the DIY maternity photographer. And you honestly don't want to book with that maternity photographer because they're going to make you do all the work. And if you are a mom who doesn't want to stress, who wants that personalized experience, and you also want to be able to enjoy the experience and not worry about all the things that you have to do, then I honestly would tell you to not hire the DIY photographer. So if you need help with your maternity photo shoot, I created what I call the Maternity Idea Vault, full of 900 plus maternity photo shoot ideas inside of it. All you have to do is click the link in the description and I'll send it right over to you. Peace out.